Okay, so right now, Jamaica needs us. In the wake of Hurricane Melissa, people are rebuilding homes, roads, lives. But here's one thing about Jamaicans: we are resilient. We are strong and we will rise again. But here is how you can help right now. First of all, donate smart. Support the charities that are doing work on the ground. This is the Jamaican Red Cross. This is Food for the Poor, the Jamaican government. I will drop some links in the captions. Second, buy Jamaican. Buy from local businesses, local artisans, local farmers, because your dollars will help them rebuild. Third, plan to visit, but not yet. Only when it is safe. Tourism feeds families. So when they are ready, go, buy local, spend local, stay local. That's how you will help people rebuild. And finally, share verified info. Don't spread panic, spread hope and real ways to help. Jamaica has given the world so much rhythm and soul and joy, and now it's time for you to give something back. Again, check the caption below for some links on how you can help. One love.